Today we are going to discuss about the biomedical signal characteristics. The biomedical signals are usually taken from heart and brain waves. It is depends on their activity and their body parts. The signal is the voltage of the signal is too small, so it is measured in millivolt or microvolt.
Biomedical signals are non-stationary signals because it changes over time in response to physical and emotional changes that occurs in the body.
Continuous and the signal continues reflect what is happening in the body.
Many biomedical signals have low frequency as compared to electrical signals, so it can easily separate. And biomedical signal has more components.
I am going to say about the noise and low power consumption in the biomedical signal gathering. While the low power while the biomedical signal sensor have high sensitivity to capture those signals, and the noise have while taking the biomedical signal, the other noise from like the electrical.
Next, I am going to tell about the sensitivity to conditions. So the biomedical signals will change according to the conditions, that is physical conditions means temperature etc. and also emotional conditions such as stress. Next, the biomedical signals will vary based on individuals. Every different individual has different biomedical signals. Thank you.
Thank you.
We are going to talk about the topic sources of bioelectric potential. So when we take the case of the biosignals, we can have different types of biosignals like bioelectric, biomagnetic, bioimpedance, and many more. So in that we are going to say about bioelectric potential. So bioelectric potential is something that arises because of the ionic gradient between the living cells and the tissues that are present in our body. I am going to tell about neuronal action potential. Neurons generate bioelectrical potential as they transmit electrical signals through action potential. So I am going to tell about muscle potential. So the muscle contractions such as smooth muscle or cardiac muscle will generate the bioelectrical signals. For example, let us take the electrical activity of heart muscle cells. So that gives us electrocardiogram. I am here to tell about resting membrane potential. This potential is present in nearly all cells due to distribution of iron, which will be different across the cell membrane. And some of the imbalance ions like sodium, potassium, and chloride create small voltage difference, but it will be constant. I am going to tell about biopotential from specialized cells. Certain cells like pacemaker in the heart continuously generate bioelectric potential to regulate the rhythm like a heartbeat. I am going to tell about sensory receptors. Bioelectric potentials are produced by the response to the environmental response like light and sound by the sensory cells in the retina in the eye. I am going to tell about skin potential. Skin potential refers to the electrical potential difference measured across the skin. It is generated by sweat glands and ion transport in the skin layers. I am going to tell about graded potential. Small changes in cell membrane potential that happen in response to stimulus. They can make the cell more positive or more negative. I'm going to tell about synaptic potential. It occurs at synapse and it occurs between the two neurons, or it occurs between the neurons and the another cell. It excites the postsynaptic cell and results the release of transmitters.
Okay, thank you.
Everyone, now here to discuss about the propagation of action potential. So it is an action potential by a process which travels along the electrical signals in nerves, and also it will be easily communication with the rapid communication within the nervous system.
So I'm going to tell about resting potential. The neuron will be at a resting potential which around minus 70 millivolts, and it is maintained by ion function channels.
I am going to tell about the threshold activation. When a stimulus depolarizes the membrane to a threshold potential, the sodium gate channel opens. The threshold activation frequency is minus 55 millivolts.
I'm going to tell about the polarization. So polarization is involves potential resist towards the steady.
I'm going to tell about repolarization. In repolarization, sodium channel process and potassium channel open. In this, the potassium channel exit its own state.
And we will about hyperpolarization, the effects of passing on overshoots, making the design of the cell more negative than the estimate.
I'm going to tell about refractive period. It is a time period between the hyperpolarization and the next action potential, and there are two types of refractive period, absolute refractive period and relative refractive period.
I'm going to tell about solitary conduction. That means the myelinated axons, the action potential jumps between the nodes of matter to speed up their transition.
So these rapid wavelength movements of depolarization and repolarization helps in the effective communication of neurons. Thank you.